How to do a test order in Shopify. Now, as of the moment, I won't be able to show you directly from the Shopify demo account because they're currently under maintenance and I won't be able to log in. But I can still explain to you, what you can do or provide you the most steps so that you can complete this whole process. So first things first is going to shopify.com and then make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, performing a test order in Shopify is very easy. You just have to change the payment method so that you can try to order a test order. So to do so, just simply enable test mode in your settings and then go to payments. And then under Shopify payments, you could go to storefront as a customer and use the provided test card numbers to complete a simulated checkout. Now, the other thing that you can do is the one that I've mentioned earlier, which you will change your payment method into a test payment method. I'll go back to your settings, go to payments and options, and from there, you just need to change to bogus gateway payment method so that you can check out any order. And that's it. That's how you do a test order in Shopify.